Hey guys, George from SME here, and today I'm going to cover how you can use SME Data Movement Services to move NoSQL data sources like MongoDB to a destination like Snowflake. So what makes MongoDB and NoSQL so special? Well, it's not like a relational table where your data is structured in like their typical column row format. It's more of a document style database. So your data is looking a lot like JSON. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to my screen where I'm going to show you how we can pull data out of my MongoDB Atlas account and push it into Snowflake. So if you can see here, I'm in my Atlas hub. So this is just a cloud cluster that I've spun up, and we're just going to use some sample data in terms of analytics. So looking at this transactions data set, you see here that the query is going to bring back, again, it looks like JSON document style data. And if I just go into here, you can see that in the arrays, we've got a bunch of different ways of cascading levels. So what we're going to do is we're going to use SME Data Movement Services to flatten all of this. So let's hop over to my MongoDB data table. So I have all my different data movement sources over here. I've already configured my connection to Mongo, and you can see that I can just start walking my way through to analytics, to transactions. And as opposed to having to go in and auto join all those different tables, or join them, it auto joined it for me. So I can go in here, I can select all of the different fields that I want, go ahead and we'll pick them. And now SME Data Movement Services has essentially flattened it as a table. Now this is just a virtual table. The table is never going to be at rest. It's going to go straight from Mongo all the way to Snowflake. So I can go over here, select SME Snowflake, and find my table. I'm going to go ahead and just push a sample. So just to kind of recap what we're doing, SME Data Movement Services pulls the data out of Mongo, flattens it, creates that virtual table, not at rest, and pushes it directly to Snowflake. So when I go over to my SME database inside of Snowflake, you can see that within just a matter of seconds, we've already got our data in Snowflake and we can start querying it right here. So again, another great way of being able to take data from disparate sources and integrate them with your downstream applications. So that's it, guys. So if you want to learn more about how SME Data Movement Services can connect to your MongoDB or NoSQL databases, feel free to reach out to us at smesgroup.com, where we've got a bunch of blog posts, articles, videos, as well as where you can reach out to us directly. So until next time, bye, guys.